Our Mylink radios are now built in with Carplay and Android Auto. To enjoy these features, simply use a USB cable. It is important that you use a factory cable or one that can perform a two-way function. Simply plug your USB into the port. Connect your phone and then click Continue on the vehicle display. You can access some of your factory apps from the display screen. We can also look at our phone book contacts and check our playlist with the music app. You can put in addresses with the maps or access new messaging. See what's currently playing, as well as browse podcast, audiobooks, and Pandora. Press the small home icon to access Siri.
What time do the Falcons play?
The Falcons battle the Jets at 1 p.m.
Just like Apple CarPlay, when using Android Auto, it's important to use your factory phone cable. Simply plug it into the USB port and into the bottom of your device. Click Continue on the car display and the Android icon will appear. Click on the Android icon. You will have to accept a number of prompts. Once through all of these screens, turn Android Auto on in the Notification Access section. The next step will be to wait for the Android Auto button to pop up on your vehicle display. Once it is linked, just like Apple CarPlay, you can access Maps, Phone, Contacts, and Audio. The Maps section has multiple options for directional apps.